Hi, this is Reddy. In this video, we are going to cover how to create a new console application, and as well as we are going to understand the console application development environment. First, let's try to understand how to create a new console application by using .NET platform. Whenever you want to write a program by using .NET platform, we have to install Visual Studio.NET. You have to install Visual Studio.NET. This Visual Studio.NET installation process will take 2 to 3 hours time. So for that reason, I am providing a special step-by-step installation process as a document to you all. And here we are explaining the how to open Visual Studio.NET, and after open Visual Studio.NET, how to create a new console application. I am explaining here. Following this chart, I am going to implement. Let's minimize this page. Coming to desktop, on your taskbar, you can see the Visual Studio IDE icon. So whenever you install Visual Studio.NET into your machine, you can see this IDE icon. To open Visual Studio.NET, we should click this Visual Studio IDE icon. And now it's going to open Visual Studio.NET IDE. IDE stands for Integrating Development Environment, which we will use to develop any type of application by using .NET platform. Now our target is to create a new project. That's why click on Create New Project. Here click on Create New Project. Now it's open New Project window. Here select language as C# and select type of application and technology as console application. Now here click next button. With this process, it will open new project configuration window. Here you can rename the project as your wish. I am renaming it as My Console Application. I am giving my project name as My Console Application. Here you have to select the location. I am selecting the location as D, and here next we have to click on Create button. With this process, it will create a new console application development environment. Console application development environment will have mainly two windows. Number one is Solution Explorer window. This is Solution Explorer window. Number two is Code window. This window is Code window, and this window is Solution Explorer window. First window is Solution Explorer window. Second window is Code window. So let's try to understand these two windows. Now here Solution Explorer window will contain all the project related files. You can observe this. Here you have project name, that is My Console Application, and it will contain all the project related files which you are using in your project. But by default, your console application development environment is coming with one single important file. That file name is program.cs. Now we have to understand what is program.cs. Program.cs is a C#.NET class file. Every C#.NET class file extension will be .cs. .cs means C#. So like that. Tomorrow you will use n number of files, n number of class files. Every C#.NET class file extension will be .cs. Now we have to understand what is class file. To understand the class file, let's go to the documentation. What is class file? Class file is a collection of classes. By default, every class file will come with one single class, but it can contain multiple classes. Again, I am repeating, class file is a collection of classes. By default, every class file will come with one class, but it can contain multiple classes. Similarly, program.cs is coming with single class called program. Program.cs is coming with single class called program. Similarly, program.cs is coming with a single class called program. Let's see the program.cs file in Visual Studio. Here you can observe. Right now program.cs file is opening in code window. So you can see it contains, by default it's coming with one class called program. But it can contain multiple classes. I am writing another class called class C1. I am writing another class called class 2. With this we can say that a class file can contain collection of classes, but by default it will come with one class and you can define multiple classes. Program class is coming with a special method called main. So what is the role of main method? Let's try to understand main method. Main is a program execution entry and exit in console application. In console application, execution starts by main method and controlling by main method and execution stop by main method. That means total program execution is controlled by main method. Main method is controlled by .NET execution engine called CLR. CLR stands for Common Language Runtime. Now let's understand about the second window. Now till the time we understood Solution Explorer window, now we are going to understand code window. So this window will display the selected class file code. Which window? Code window will display the selected class file code. Thank you very much.